Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi. First, choose a large Napa cabbage, typically weighing between 2 and 3 kilograms. Cut the cabbage lengthwise into 4 equal quarters. Generously apply coarse sea salt between every leaf, ensuring even coverage. Allow the salted cabbage to sit for 2 to 3 hours, turning it every 30 minutes to ensure uniform wilting. This crucial step draws out excess water, preparing the cabbage for fermentation. Next, let's prepare the flavorful kimchi paste. You will need fresh garlic, ginger, Korean chili powder, also known as gochugaru, and fish sauce. Finely chop or blend the garlic and ginger, then combine them with the gochugaru and fish sauce in a large bowl. For a touch of sweetness, incorporate a small amount of sugar or a fruit puree, like Asian pear. Mix everything thoroughly until you achieve a thick, vibrant red paste. This paste is the heart of your kimchi's flavor. Now it's time to bring everything together. After salting, rinse the cabbage under cold water at least 3 times to remove excess salt, then squeeze out as much water as possible. Wearing gloves, generously spread the prepared kimchi paste over every single leaf of the cabbage, ensuring full coverage. Pack the coated cabbage tightly into an airtight container, pressing down to remove air pockets. Leave some headspace, about 1 inch, for expansion during fermentation. Store it at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. Once fermented to your liking, transfer the kimchi to the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process, preserving its delicious flavor and crisp texture for several weeks or even months. You can enjoy your homemade kimchi immediately as a side dish, or let it age further in the fridge for more complex and sour taste. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade kimchi in various dishes, from stews to fried rice, or simply on its own.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.